Good afternoon, everyone. We have Lululemon Athletics that just missed their earnings report. It's 1:16 p.m. Today's date is 6/10/2013. But you can take a look at 8250 area. Here's a 15-minute bar going straight down in after hours to 74.50. One of the things that we discovered, everyone, was that Lululemon's gross margins of 49.4% versus 55% a year ago and 49% estimate. It's dropping roughly about $7 off of the high right now. So one of the things that we're going to, and it trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Lulu Athletic has provided written notice to the Toronto Stock Exchange regarding the delisting of its common stock. That's on the Toronto Stock Exchange. The Lululemon Athletic Club CEO is going to make a comment. CEO Christine Day will step down as the company's chief executive officer when a successor is named. So they're making some changes in their management. It's been a bull run over a lot of years. This is the after hours drop. Here's the Lululemon price. Here's the 15-minute drop. We're going to be looking at over a period of time what the value of that would be, because every time that Lululemon has its problems, it'll get to a point where it gets on sale and it'll be worth buying. So there's going to be some shakeup in management. There'll be a conference call that follows. We will be looking at buying the dips. And I'm going to conclude Lululemon. They beat by 2 cents. They beat on the revs. They guide Q2 EPS in line. Revs above consensus and raises the fiscal year 14 guidance slightly. And the CEO to step down. Capital IQ consensus was an estimate of 30 cents on the revs. Revenues rose 21.0% year to year to 345.8 million versus the 341 million consensus. Comps plus 7% versus 5.8% guidance. Company issues that guidance for 2014, raises EPS to $1.96 to 2.01 from $1.95 to $1.99 versus $1.99 Capital IQ consensus. Raises fiscal 14 revs to 1.645 billion. That's for 2014. So there are some things that are really going on with it. Nonetheless, it will get to a point where we will buy these dips on Lululemon, and that was a short. So the $80 puts, the high was 82.50, and we're printing 75.31. The low was down here, as you can see here, right here, and here's that little green up bar. That's a 15-minute chart. On a 5-minute chart in after hours, you can see it only took 5-10 minutes. And there's a little pop right here. So we'll be watching Lululemon for the next several trading days based on a bad earnings report.